Hello friends, hope everyone is doing fine. The purpose of this presentation is getting introduced you to ETABS. This is brought to you by Cantercat Chamrajpet, number 10, second floor Sissi Road, Chamrajpet, Bangalore 18. So trainer information, this is me. My name is Nakul Srinivas Murthy. I'm a project management specialist as well as drafting and modeling trainer. This is my LinkedIn profile, this is my mobile number, and this is my personal mail ID. A brief introduction about me. I completed my engineering in civil in 2009. From then onwards, I have been working in construction industry. I have expertise in project management tools like Microsoft Projects and Primavera, and I have helped the construction industry to manage project efficiently using these wonderful tools. Also, I specialize in training civil, mechanical and electrical engineers in modeling and drafting software tools. I consider myself fortunate enough to have worked with real estate companies like Ozone Developers, Mathri Developers and Shobha Developers, collectively for a span of 5 years. And I have understood their perspective of construction industry. Also, I consider working with Tatas and JLL as a feather in my cap, as they follow core values of customer satisfaction and ethical standards. For obvious reasons, both possess high standards of project management, following it and training their workforce towards being project management specialists. It's a pleasure being part of these wonderful companies and learning from them. So what are the contents of this presentation? History and brief about ETABS, purpose and uses, advantages of the tool, getting started with the tool, designs made using this tool, companies which are using this tool. To start with, let us discuss on the history and brief about ETABS. ETABS is a tool which helps in analyzing structural stability of a structure. It is basically an analysis software. Computers and Structures Inc. CSI, based in California, USA, which was founded in 1975, has developed this software. Everyone must know this structure. This is Burj Khalifa, situated in Dubai, one of the tallest buildings in the world. This building was actually designed by using ETABS. And what are the purposes and uses of ETABS? ETABS is an engineering software product that caters to multi-story building analysis and design. ETABS consists of modeling tools and templates, code-based load prescriptions, analysis methods and solution techniques, which coordinates with a grid-like geometry to provide accurate design results. ETABS is a powerful program that can greatly enhance an engineer's analysis and design capabilities for structures. So what are the uses of or advantages of ETABS or other analysis softwares? The first one is ETABS is a 3D modeling software for all kinds of structural analysis and design. Creation of 3D model with the utilization of plan views and elevations is easy for any kind of complex structures. With the help of similar story concept, which is inbuilt tool in ETABS, creation of 3D model is very easy and quick. Snap Tool, which is a tool in ETABS, allows the user to place structural objects with accuracy. Automatic consideration of self-weight of materials has made it easy to consider self-weight of various members even if the size is changed. Automatic creation of earthquake and wind loads saves lots of time to calculate them manually and design them in the 3D model. Load combination as per your defined building code is also automated. You do not need to define them individually, it saves lots of time. So how the ETABS really looks like? This is the default page of ETABS. You can see all the bars are numbered from 1 to 12. So what are those bars? 1 represents main title bar. 2 represents menu bar. 3 represents a toolbars. You can find a 3 in 2 places. Here as well as here. So whatever you are finding it here and here is actually tools, and the bar is called toolbar. Model Explorer. This window right here is called Model Explorer. Display windows. These are called display windows. Display title tab. This is the description of this windows. It shows the description of this windows. Status bar is right at the bottom left corner. Working plane, this is right here. So it indicates which plane are you working in. This is mouse pointer position. What is the position of your mouse? The coordinates of your mouse. Drawing end section. This is this. Coordinate system. This is the coordinate system, a drop down list. Current units. This is the drop down list of the current units as well. So when ETABS opens, ready for you to start creating models for analysis, you see a screen that includes the following. As we discussed in the previous slide, the first bar, which is main title bar, the main title bar includes the program and model names. The main title bar is highlighted when the program is in use. Menu bar contains the commands and program menus required to perform specific actions. Toolbar consists of buttons made up of single click access to commonly used commands. Holding the mouse on any button without clicking will show the short description of the button's function. Model Explorer allows easy access to model definitions data, including property forms, load definitions and object forms, as well as analysis, design and detailing results in geographically tabular and report formats using a hierarchical tree structure. These formats are grouped in 5 tabs in the Model Explorer, namely Model, Display, Tables, Reports and Detailing. So the next is display windows. shows the geometry of the model and may also include displays of properties, loading, analysis or design results and detailing as well. There is no limit on the number of windows to be displayed. Display title tab is located in the top of the display window. The display title tab is highlighted when the associated display window is active. Status bar is located at the bottom left corner of the main window. The text describing the current status of the program is displayed on the left side of the status bar. Working plane drop down list. This drop down list appears in a 3D view display window when a drawing command is active. Drawing objects in a 3D view is restricted to the working plane selected from the drop down list unless snaps are used. Mouse pointer position coordinates are displayed on the right hand side of the status bar. The window does not need to be active for the mouse pointer position coordinates to be displayed. It is only necessary that the mouse pointer be over the window. That's it. That is enough for the mouse pointer position coordinates to show. Drawing and selection drop down list. The drop down list is on the right side of the status bar. The three options in the drop down list are one story, all stories and similar stories. So let us discuss in brief about this one story, all stories and similar stories. One story, an object is created only at the one story level on which it is drawn. When you are selecting all story option, an object drawn creates object at all story levels in the model at the same plane location. When you are selecting similar stories option, an object drawn creates at all similar story levels in the model at the same plan location. Okay. Coordinate system drop down list. This drop down list on the right side of the status bar allows the switching of coordinate or grid systems between the global coordinate system and user defined grid systems. The selected system affects both the orientation of the model as well as the mouse pointer position coordinates. Current units. The current units are displayed in a pop-up list located on the far right hand side of the status bar. These units can be changed at any time during the model creation process. So what are the designs made using this tool? You can see this is actually the model which is prepared using ATAPs. You can see steel legs, flat slabs, waffle slab, staggered truss, flat slab with perimeter beams, two-way or ribbed slab. And this is one more model. So, which all companies are using this tool? Have listed down some companies which are very big players in the world as well as a good players in local markets as well. Turner is a big contracting firm, construction contracting firm in US. L&T, a big conglomerate of India which not only handles construction but almost all fields. They are in all fields actually. It might be software, it might be manufacturing, it might be dispense equipment manufacturing, everything. AECOM, another multinational consulting firm. Ramboll, they are specialized in designing the Headquarters is located in Noida. Sterling Wilson, another MNC. Designtry, this is a very competent local player which operates out from Bangalore. Bechtel and CMAC. Bechtel, you know, it's a very big MNC related construction, and CMAC is a very good local player. That's it, guys. For more details on the course and further training in our institute or offline or online, kindly get in touch with CantorCAD Chamarajpet, number 10, Sesi Road, Chamarajpet, Bengaluru 560018. We are also available in WhatsApp, or you can just call us on 944 810 2465.